Hello, this is Scott Elliott here. Today we're going to be talking about ProPresenter 5, importing PowerPoint presentations and doing the transitions from the PowerPoint. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and minimize this, and I'm just going to go to a PowerPoint presentation that's out there. So here's a PowerPoint presentation, and we'll go ahead and uncheck that here. So on this, so let's go ahead and go to our transitions on here, and let's say for the first slide we can go ahead and do one of these transitions, and maybe the second slide we can do something like this, and who knows, for third slide we can do something like that. Okay, something really ugly, but just so you kind of get the point. Okay, I'll go ahead and save that, and I'm going to close this, and we're going to go back into PowerPoint, and we're going to go to our file, import, and then we're going to import PowerPoint. Okay, so it's going to ask us where we want to import it. This is where we're going to import it from. And then if you look at this, we have all different selections. Import just from JPEG, import just the slide elements. Okay, so I've tried all these. But the top one seems to be the best one, where it says import native PowerPoint slides, all layers and animations. Animations, I guess they don't consider transitions part of their animations, but we're going to go ahead and click on this, and I'll show you what happens. This very well could be a future enhancement for PowerPoint. But if you look at this, here's our slides, okay? And if I just hit spacebar on each one of these slides, you can see the PowerPoint itself definitely came in, but the transitions itself did not. Okay, so if I'm going to scroll back up, okay, and I'm going to say, okay, so how do I get some transitions into this? So if I click on this slide right here, and I just simply do a right click and I go to edit slide, okay, then I can go ahead and go to my transitions. So now if I go to my transitions, this is where I can go ahead and do all the transitions that I need to do that are presently in ProPresenter. And that's the key, is that you have to use whatever is in ProPresenter, and really in order to get this thing to work, as far as I know. Okay, so I'm just going to do some real ugly transitions just so you can see how this works. I'll do this one actually as a dissolve. You can see I have a transition on here. I'll do the next one here, and I'll just do a flip on this, and then the next one here we'll just do another transition and get our transition there, and I'll just say coming in from all angles. Okay, and we can do a little bit more of a duration on here. Okay. All right, so going back and look and see if this works. Stretch this out a little bit, and we'll start at our top one. We'll hit our space bar, and you can see, voila, we have all of our godly transitions, but you could obviously clean it up and make it look nice. But this, in a nutshell, is the way that I have found out, that really the only way that I found out that we can put these transitions in ProPresenter 5. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And of course, if you have any